Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. Guess what we got? We got an Advent, so I get to play with everybody else. I know. I was whining about everybody's fun Advents, and Miss Morgan, she's so sweet. She got me this Advent calendar, and it's a tea Advent calendar. So we get to do an Advent. It's a 24-day Advent calendar, and I know this is already several days into December, but look at this thing. Isn't it so pretty? It opens up, and it's got pockets of tea for every day. Oh, it smells so good, too. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and start it on today, which happens to be the 11th, and I'm going to pull it all the way through. Now, what a lot of people don't realize or don't remember is the 12 days of Christmas actually start on December 25th. So when we get to December 25th, we'll be starting at number 1 and we'll be going forward. So most of these will be happening through the 12 days of Christmas anyway. So won't that be fun? They'll be short. And I know there's a million Advent videos out there going on already. So these are going to be really, really short. I will have my water already set, ready to go. We'll pull our tea bag. I think it's a tea bag. We'll pull our tea bag. And I may not even have this. I may already have our bag pulled. And open it up. This is chamomile mint citrus green tea from India. Actually, I think they're all from India. I think that's just the company itself is from India. Let's carefully open this. I don't want to cut into the tea. See, I'm afraid it's loose tea in there. I don't know if it's a bag or not. So I'm going to carefully open the top, the tippy top, just in case it's loose tea. And it's loose tea. It's a good thing I carefully open that. Okay, let me show you this beautiful cup that my daughter bought me, I think last year for Christmas. So this beautiful cup that my daughter bought me last year for Christmas has a built-in tea strainer. It's got a lid to help keep your water warm. And then you can put your tea bag on there if you have a tea bag. And this is the built-in strainer. So the strainer's already right there in it. So that's why I grabbed this cup, just in case it was loose tea. So let's see if I can do this without making a big, huge mess. So this is, ooh, it reminds me of spearmint chewing gum. So it's got a heavy mint flavor. So we're just gonna pour that right in. And I would do it in front of you, but I'm not that coordinated. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm just putting that right in there. And I should have brought a spoon so I could kind of put it in there and stir it around a little bit. Oh, Mister's going to go get me a spoon. So I'm just going to put that on top for a second. Now, what this does not do, it doesn't give me, instructions for how long it should steep. Let me see if it says anything on here. Oh, there's a contents, and on each one it says, oh, so this has lemongrass, orange peel, chamomile, green tea, spearmint, and peppermint. That spearmint is really strong. But it does not say anything about how long it should steep. And you guys know different teas have different steeping times. So we're just going to let it sit. Oh, there's some nice flavors in here. I'm so excited. So let's give it a little bit of a stir because that loose tea is kind of floating on top. Oh, I can smell that. The only thing I can smell is the spearmint. Okay, so we're just going to let it sit there for a little bit longer. And then I'm going to give it a little taste. And I got nice hot water, so it shouldn't take too long. Ooh, I can really smell that. So it's 30% lemongrass, 30% orange peel, 15% chamomile, 10% green tea, 10% spearmint, and 5% peppermint. But literally the only thing I can smell is that spearmint. Isn't this I guess I'm going to have to bring this over so we can read each day what the breakdown on that is. I'm really excited about this. Usually it's 3 to 5 minutes for tea. Oh, now I can smell some of the others. I can smell the lemongrass now. It's really, really light still. But I'm going to sip it anyway, just because I want to give it a taste, and then I'll let it seep a little bit longer. So see, I get to pull this whole thing out, and I don't get any of that loose tea stuff in there. It's a really fine, fine strainer. And I set the strainer right on top of that lid. And I've got this beautiful cup. Isn't this just the nicest thing? My daughter sent me this I think for Christmas last year. I can really smell it. It's good. It's very good. It's very, very fragrant. Very fragrant. That is nice. I'm going to leave it to continue to seep. I think it needs to seep longer. I think these particular flavors, other than the spearmint, are going to be pretty mellow, pretty light flavors. And I think they do need to steep a little bit longer. This is going to be fun each day to see what the different flavors are and how they come through, and to see how they work. What a fun gift. Thank you so much, Morgan. I'm really going to enjoy going through these. I definitely need a cup of tea today. I have got several projects that I need to get ready to get wrapped up. I have we've got a Christmas, I think we're doing one of our Christmas exchanges this Wednesday. I've got another Christmas exchange this Saturday. I have at least one item that I have to get blocked today and get ready to wrap. And then I found out more people were coming for Christmas Day that I did not know were going to be here. So I get to do a little bit more shopping that I wasn't expecting. So starting my day with a nice, warm, soothing cup of tea is going to be just exactly what I needed for today. So this is perfect. This is perfect. So this was our chamomile mint. Chamomile, now I gotta get it right. Chamomile mint citrus. Oh, here, it's on the package. Let's do that. Chamomile mint citrus green tea, because it had that little bit of orange in it. Chamomile mint citrus tea. And it's from Veradale out of India. That's the name of the thing, Veradale. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.